In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a calendar widget into your Hostinger website. Whether you want to share upcoming events or keep visitors in the loop with your schedule, embedding a calendar is a fantastic way to enhance your site's functionality and user engagement. Let's dive right in and simplify this process together. First, we need to create your calendar widget. You have a choice here. You can either use a well-known service like Google Calendar or explore third-party widget providers such as SociableKit or Common Ninja. Both options offer robust features, so go with what you're comfortable with or what best meets your needs. Once you've made your selection, it's time to create and customize your calendar. Follow the detailed instructions provided by your chosen service. This usually involves adding all the events you want to showcase and tweaking the visual appearance to match your website's aesthetic. After crafting the perfect calendar, you'll need to locate the embed code. You can usually find this in the Share or Settings menu of your calendar service. Look for something labeled as an embed code, which typically appears as in code. Go ahead and copy this code. With your calendar code in hand, we can move on to the next step, embedding it on your Hostinger website. Start by logging into your Hostinger account. Navigate to your website's editor or dashboard where you'll be making changes to your site. Now, locate the tool that allows you to add new elements to your page. This is often referred to as Add Elements or something similar. Once you've found it, select the option for an embed or HTML element from the list available to you. Sometimes this might be labeled as custom code or embed code, so keep an eye out for these variations. Now it's time to take the embed code you copied earlier and put it to work. Click on the new embed element you've added to your page. You should see a field where you can paste code. This is where you'll drop in the embed code from your calendar service. Once that's done, don't forget to save your changes. This is crucial to ensure everything stays in place. Finally, preview your page to check how your calendar displays. Make sure it looks good and functions as intended. By following these steps, you can easily share key dates and events with your audience, making your site a hub of information and engagement. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for being here, and stick around for more website tips and tricks in our upcoming videos.